Hey guys, today I will be doing this really easy green cut crease eye look. Please keep on watching. First, I will be taking this green shade from my Juvia's Place A Freak palette as a transition color. Using the BH Cosmetics number 21 brush, I will be applying the product on my lid, and we will be blending this out later. Taking a Morphe M433, we will be blending that out. It does not have to be perfect since we will be cutting the crease. Taking my Morphe M508 to cut the crease, I will be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. As you can see, I'm placing the concealer over where the eye falls. This way when we apply the other shadows later, they do not transition to the top. Taking the shade Enchanted from my Jaclyn Hill palette using a Morphe E18, I will be applying this on the outer corner. Morphe M506 to blend that out, and I will also be going over the cut crease with the same color. I will be taking this yellow shade with the same brush and applying this only in the middle. I am using the shade Electric from the Subculture palette with the BH Cosmetics number 17 brush.
You've got the energy, you've got the look. Most times you win.
thin line with eyeliner on my lash line so the eyelashes can blend in. I will be using the Persoli 24K Rose Gold Elixir on my outer parts of my face and using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer on my T-zone.
Quiet like the ocean, oh, your treasure hidden down below. As silent as it come, I know. Should I be scared if you stay or go? Tell me, am I insecure? Just overly emotional. Have I fallen down low? Searching for things I'll never know. Searching for things you'll never show. I guess I just don't wanna let go. But something tells me not to wait no more. So you got secrets.
thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe.